Hello guys, a new video about AVALANCHE. Avalanche slide seems to have shown up at a basic interest divider right after seeing its reasonably assessed worth come around over half all through ongoing weeks. The shortfall of buyers at current expense levels is a reprobation signal. That is the general figure for the crypto market. Looking back at what we had on AVAX, the crypto business crashing seems, by all accounts, to be fanciful, for all intents and purposes incomprehensible. Have you encountered anything blazingly fast, negligible cost, and eco-obliging? Heavy slide is totally reasonable with Ethereum assets, applications, and instruments with speedier paces, higher throughput, and lower charges. Applications include asset issuance, automated market makers, AMS, borrowing and lending, decentralized exchanges, DEXs, what happens starting here until who acknowledges when can't kill the eminence of the plan by which the association was created. Coins with utility should be upheld by their neighborhood. Could we examine and see the justification for why? The current Avalanche cost is $30.53 United States dollars, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,057,319,614 United States dollars. Heavy slide is down 5.24% at this point. The continuous CAN market cap situating is number 12, with a live market cap of $8,210,094,772 United States dollars. It has a surrounding supply of 268,930,141 AVAX coins and the greatest supply isn't open. What is Avalanche and AVAX? AVALANCHE has confidence in the Avalanche, shows impartial to develop significant areas of fortitude for and influence useful cryptographic cash network for applications, dApps, surprising portion locals, and new interconnecting blockchains. The AVAX show is encouraging a new tokenized economy through its ever-evolving mechanical technique, which integrates reliable physical and virtual asset trade, detached portion application locals and subordinate things, Web 3.0 private data and social applications, and extensively more. Heavy slide is the blockchain region's speediest Adroit Agreements Cryptographic Cash Association. The association has well beyond what might be expected the most validators of every single pose show, which ensures its development. Additionally, the Avalanche network is a lightning speedy, lower costs, and innocuous to the biological system stage. Yet again, any insightful agreement-based application could beat its foes on Avalanche. Heavy slide's mainnet went live on September 21, 2021. Starting there forward, the stage has gotten in excess of 200 interesting endeavors, more than $14 million of AVAX consumed, more than 1,000 other Square commitment validators, and in excess of 600 neighborhood all over the planet. What settles on Avalanche the best splendid arrangement stage? The web's next generation. Heavy slide and other advanced money networks are state-of-the-art web application stages. The web is constantly advancing. Web 1.0 PC networks associated us to the web and induction to information and electronic online business portions. Web 2.0 adaptable first relational associations associated us to web organizations, while computations further developed our data client experience. Web 3.0 advanced cash networks are trustless neighborhood shows, for instance, Avalanche, which offers purchasers back control over their information and security through privately incorporated DeFi applications. The third time of computerized money advancement. Earlier computerized money networks considered all over the planet decentralized virtual money. The second surge of stages fostered this fundamental advancement to engage the improvement of programmable dApps, enabling DeFi devices, NFTs, and other pay-creating applications. These structures, regardless, have redesignated a restricted extent of direction cases because of massive cost ideas for executes and slow trade speed. The third period of cryptographic cash networks intends to oblige a greater combination of decentralized apps on more reasonable and quicker blockchains, presenting a multi-chain future with various natural frameworks battling on speed, prosperity, and customization. imaginative mechanical plan. Heavy slide uses moderate understanding suggests and an exceptional component to give a fast and versatile game plan. Heavy slide is a proof of stake pose network that utilization Heavy slide specific multi-tie design grants it to be a blockchain stage with a couple subnets supporting exceptionally changed client demands. This fundamental component major assignments nearby to undeniable subnets to interoperate effectively without execution breaking down found in networks when each kind of exertion is stored onto a singular chain. Reliable association fulfillment. Base layer decentralized network advancement shows to have various applications and encourage an enthusiastic mechanized economy ought to give an optimal harmony of decentralization, security, and adaptability while charging unobtrusive trade costs. Heavy slide's chief net gives a trade objective layer that is especially merciless with the top pose and POW advanced cash systems in various models. Heavy slide features. The platform chain, P-chain, the exchange chain, X-chain, and the contract chain are completely incorporated into Avalanche, C-chain. Every one of the three blockchains are confirmed and gotten by Avalanche's key association. The P-chain is an association of interconnected centers, platform chain, Avalanche's metadata blockchain, which controls authenticators and custom subnets, is known as the P-chain. Validators stake AVAX on the P-chain to safeguard the association. The X-chain is an association of interconnected PCs. The X-chain is Avalanche's default asset blockchain, which thinks about asset fabricating and trading. This Avalanche blockchain is planned for trades that need high throughput and rapid satisfaction. For dApps, use the C-chain. The C-chain is a movement of associations in a chain, contract chain. The C-chain is Avalanche's default clever agreement blockchain, permitting architects to make Ethereum feasible ventures and assets at lower costs and quicker trades. Do you figure Avalanche will regardless be an appropriate advanced cash in 2022 now that we look into it? Could we focus on the charts together in this AVAX cost assessment and AVAX cost projection? AVAX past price predictions. The Avalanche cryptographic cache has been on areas of strength for an example during the previous particularly eccentric days, dropping 25.0% over the latest 14 days. Heavy slide cost has, as of late, shown tremendous potential, and as of now might be an optimal second to buy given the promising business area cap. While standing out the continuous worth from the latest 30 days expense history, regardless, today is sure that AVAX's expense has dropped by 4.7%. Regardless, AVAX monetary forms are a sound endeavor extension to your somewhat long mint piece grouping. The expense weighed between a base normal expense of $48.06 and a high common expense of $146 in the beyond 90 days, tending to a 208% swing. All through the beyond 4 months, Avalanche has been on the climb. Subsequently, we expect that relative district of the market at the time were normal. Heavy slides trading volume has extended in the beyond 4 months, as shown by the most recent figures. The size of the market and full-scale supply influences the expense today. On May 4, 2022, notable crypto adventure organization Valkyrie announced that it needs to ship off an Avalanche trust for institutional bets on the chain's nearby AVAX token. This will moreover help monetary patrons in Valkyrie with getting more receptiveness to the Avalanche blockchain show. This association with Valkyrie will unquestionably open more entrances for future endeavors with the Avalanche climate. Esteem prediction. Cost prediction gauge that AVAX will augment in 2022 and 2030. They anticipate that AVAX will have a base expense of $114.80 and a generally outrageous expense of $134.27 by 2022. In 5 years, 2027, AVAX is gauged to have a base cost of $729.37 with a biggest expense of $902.42. Esteem prediction moreover predicts that AVAX will have a base expense of $2,133.02 and a generally outrageous expense of $2,499.93 by 2030. This particular improvement is emotional since it shows more than a 1000% development in cost. AVAX is a gainful theory. Nonetheless, you should remember that inspectors and computation-based conjectures could be misguided. Projections rely upon essential and particular examinations of the past show of Avalanche, which offers no affirmation of future results. Thusly, it is crucial to continually do your investigation